Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make these keto chicken tacos. Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. Today we're making some super easy chicken tacos. So the recipe on my blog is for the crock pot, but you can also do this recipe on the stovetop in a heavy bottom pot. So that's what we're going to do today. I've got 8 boneless, skinless chicken thighs in this pot, and I'm going to bring it up to medium-high heat. This recipe is so perfect for meal prep. It's one of my favorite recipes. The chicken, once we shred it, and then it can go on so many different things, not just tacos. You can put it on cauliflower rice. You can make it for like meal prep burrito bowls. It's great. So we've got our chicken, and I'm gonna add the rest of the seasonings and salsa. So we've got 1 cup of salsa, and you can use any salsa that you like. It doesn't matter. It absolutely does not matter. You can use like a pineapple salsa. You can use any salsa. It doesn't matter. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of smoked paprika, a half a teaspoon of oregano, a half a teaspoon of onion powder, and a teaspoon of kosher salt. So now I'm just going to smush this all around, and I'm going to cover this with a lid, and I'm going to let it cook for about 30 minutes. I'm going to reduce the heat to medium once it gets up to temperature, probably even medium low, just so it's not cooking too rapidly. And so it's gonna cook for about 30 minutes until the chicken is all of the way cooked. Okay, our chicken finished cooking. So I removed the chicken from the pot and I let the liquid reduce a little bit. So now I'm gonna set this aside and I'm going to shred this chicken. You can chop it or you can shred it. So I'm going to just, get 2 forks and shred it. It's super easy to shred because it has gotten so tender from cooking in that liquid. Okay, so we got our chicken shredded. I ended up just pulling it onto a cutting board and chopping it. So I'm gonna add it back to our pot with our juice. The juice is more like a sauce. And then we're just gonna get it all mixed in to our delicious reduced sauce. And then we have this amazing taco chicken meat. So let's make some tacos. I've got this cute little taco holder. You could either flip it on this side to make 2 tacos, or you can flip it on this side to make 3. I'm gonna do 3 because it fits in my bowl better. And I've got these carb counter tortillas that are street taco size. They are 5 grams of carbs with 5 grams of fiber. So technically they're 0 net carbs. So I'm going to put these in my little taco holder. Just like that. How cute is that? So now let's fill these with some of this delicious taco meat. How good does that look? And I gotta try a bite. I love those tortillas. You could also, of course, you can put toppings and stuff on these: cheese, sour cream. That's what I'll be doing for dinner. But the chicken is so tender. You're gonna love this recipe, so be sure you check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.